It's spring, it's May, it's strawberries. On today's edition of Cooking with Vera, we are going to be making a delicious strawberry cream cheese bread. So we've got 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, and now the cinnamon. You know, when I said let's put in the salt, I didn't mean the entire bowl because that would make your bread taste a little funny. And now it's time to get our wet ingredients together. And we are gonna need 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 2 cups of chopped strawberries, and then we'll also be using today shortening. One at a time, we're gonna mix in our eggs, and we're just gonna gently incorporate these so I don't make a bigger mess. And you don't need like a ton of really big bowls. See, look. Okay, look, this is circa 1970, and it still works. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Crisco, and we're going to start to whip this. All right, I didn't say it worked perfectly, but it does work. Mix the egg and sugar mixture with the Crisco. Oops. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this with my strawberries, and that's one part of the batter. Then I'll mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. And now we're gonna put our cream cheese in here, and we're gonna whip that. So yummy. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 1.5 cups of this batter and mix it with this batter. So now the last step is to layer the batters. So it's gonna be regular, cream cheese, regular. Let's take a look at those ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 eggs, 1 cup of shortening, 2 cups of sliced or chopped strawberries, optional, 1 loaf of room temperature cream cheese, beaten for the filling. Okay, in the oven we go. Set my timer for 55 minutes. And there we go. Next time, I promise I will use you. Sometimes it's just good to pull out the old lady and, you know, give her a spin. All right, so now we're just gonna test it to make sure it's ready. Toothpick is clean. That's good to go. I'm gonna take the other one, test that one. Toothpick is clean, good to go. Now we also wanna do it in the center and see if it's gooey in the center. Voila!